Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, let's talk about the bonuses which I have to offer. So we are going to give you three bonuses which you can see on your screen. So the number one bonus is going to be free lifetime email autoresponder. And then second is grab cash jacking free copy. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine Beginner's Guide 11,000 words ebook. Okay. I will explain these one by one. Before that, make sure you watch the video till the end because after this review in this video, I am going to explain or talk about the methods which I personally use to make money on the internet, my personal methods. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end. And now if you go and buy this product for which we are doing the review using my link below, which will be saying grab copy here. So that will take you to the sales page. If you go and buy this product using my link below, you will get these three bonuses. Okay, so number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponders. So sign up here and then you will be able to start doing email marketing. You can grow your email list for free and send emails for free for lifetime. Okay, so go and get the first bonus if you buy from a link. Second is kiss jacking free copy 2 hours video training. So if you go below my video again, it says here, right here, grab kiss jacking. So if I click on this, this is a training program which I sell separately. But if you buy this product, you do not have to pay for it. Okay, I'm giving you this as a bonus. Okay, I sell this separately, but if you go and buy this product using my link below, it says grab copy, then you will get kiss jacking absolutely for free. What is kiss jacking? It is a 2 hours video training in which you will learn how to do what I am doing on YouTube right now or what others are doing. Meaning, if you want to make these reviews and make sales and make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, then you will know exactly how to start on YouTube absolutely for free. Okay. So get your kiss jacking copy absolutely for free. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine. In case you are curious about learning trading Forex, okay, then this is your 11,000 words PDF, which you can download and read. It is totally for newbies so that you can get an idea what this industry is if you do not know anything about Forex trading. Okay, so you will get these three bonuses if you go and buy from me. So let's do a quick recap. First of all, watch this video till the end so that you can know my methods which I personally use to make money on the internet. And then if you go and grab the copy using my link below, so you will find the link of the sales page most probably in my every video. If not, then it's okay. So go and grab the copy using my link below to get access to these bonuses, free email, free lifetime autoresponder, then kiss jacking copy, and then this 11,000 words PDF about Forex trading as a beginner. Okay, and I will send you the link of this document and then you will be able to access all the bonuses at once. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can always email me. If you are able to, if you have any difficulties in accessing your bonus after the purchase, you can always email to me. Okay, so now let's go and start the review. All right, let's do this MOTIONFLOW web builder review. Right now you can see that it says sales page preview is not out yet and demo video is not out yet either, and the launch starting on Sunday, June 7th. So this product is launching on 7th of June. I'm doing a review couple of days early. So things are not ready, but I am ready. Okay, so I will do the review with what I have in my hands. So coming back to this page here where it says stop building boring static websites that nobody remembers. Breakthrough world's first AI engine that builds complete cinematic, immersive websites, scroll animations, motion effects, parallax, 3D layers, and full visual storytelling from a single keyword or idea, and replaces web designers, motion graphic artists, animation coders, UX experts, copywriters, and conversion specialists with one AI system running 24/7. Okay, now when you will be watching this video, whenever, I will leave the link of the sales page below my YouTube video. Okay, so for example, you come below my YouTube video, it will be saying grab MOTIONFLOW web builder copy here. When you click on that link right now, maybe nothing will open because the product will be going live on 7th of June. Okay, so if it doesn't work before 7th of June, no panic. Don't panic. It will work definitely on 7th of June when the product goes live. Okay, but you will find the link below saying grab your copy. Click on that link and that link will take you to the actual sales page at that time where you can come and watch that demo video as well before you buy. Right now, I have shown you sales page and demo videos not out yet because it's launching on 7th of June, not today. Okay. What else do we have? I also have my own Warrior Plus products, as you can see here. If you want to check out my AI products, you can click on this link and come here. I am launching this review to profit today on 5th of June. It's going live. This is how it looks like. If you want to know more about review to profit, there's a video on my YouTube channel. You can go and check it out, or you can check out the sales page right here by clicking on this second link which says check out all my Warrior Plus products. Okay. So I will be launching more AI products in the coming soon. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay. Make sure you are connected. And now coming back to this Motion Web Builder flow. So as we do not have any demo video as of now, I can only imagine that they are going to create some stunning websites. You know, these days we have the era of AI. So using AI, you could create some stunning websites, and that's how it's going to work. But the actual sales page and demo video will come maybe on 6th of June, maybe on 7th of June. But by the time it will launch, everything will be live definitely. Okay. Right. So what exactly this is? What is Motion Flow Web Builder? Let me see. I think we have read this again, the same thing which we have read at the top. Okay, so that's all, I guess. And let's talk about the pricing and the funnel. So minimum it will cost you $17. Okay, so let me come back and see if we have any discount coupons. Not yet. So there are no discount coupons yet. And this is the funnel. So you will be getting all of this in front end in $17. Okay, and then you will be getting this OTO1 downsell, I guess, and then OTO2 is this, OTO3 is this. You can pause the video and look everything at your screen. And OTO5, so we have 9 OTOs, I guess, altogether. Okay, it's a long funnel, right? There are OTO8, as you can see, OTO9, and the pricing is just here: 17, 47, 97, 9, 37, 47, 47, 37, 97, 197, 397. Okay, we got it. Right, so we got the OTOs and we got the sales page not ready. We got demo not ready, not available, but I am ready. Okay, so when I'm ready, I get to work. So it's going to do something, create some stunning websites. Okay. And by the time you have to buy it, you will have the demo video live on the sales page. So again, nothing much to talk right now because we have to wait for the launch. So click on the link which says grab Motion Builder copy here. Come to this page, come to the sales page at that time. Then scroll the sales page down, watch the demo video, and then go and buy the copy from my link, and you will also get those bonuses which we discussed in the beginning if you buy from my link. Okay, those 3 bonuses which we talked about in the beginning. All right. And if you want to check out my review to profit, you can click on this Warrior Plus product here. And now watch the video till the end because I will tell you how do I make money using these links. So stay till the end. Alright guys, now let's quickly talk about the methods which I personally use to make money online. And below the video, you have to go and check out these links. So this link which says swing like a pro. So if you click on that link and then follow the instructions, you will come to this page right here. So this is Forex trading. Not everybody does that. I do it. So in case you want to try Forex trading, you can click on that swing like a pro link and come to this page and watch these videos one by one. These are short videos, 2 minutes long, to see how this works or how can we make money with this. And if this is something which you want to try, then you can join my mentorship program. That's method number 1, which I do. Not everybody does. Okay. So second link is saying make money on YouTube. So when you click on the second link, then follow the instructions and you will be on this page after that. It is Traffic Jarvis. So your free traffic on YouTube. Because when you come on YouTube, you can make money in multiple ways. You can make money by getting your YouTube channel monetized. For example, when you saw some ads in my video, I make a little bit of money because my YouTube channel is monetized. How you can do that? You can get 1,000 subscribers or these days 500 subscribers, I guess, but you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just within a month if you follow this training program, and you will get your YouTube channel monetized just within a month, so that YouTube starts paying you for people who will watch the video and the ads. Okay, so you can see I have made this kind of money just by making these videos where people have seen my videos, nothing buying, no nothing. Okay. And also you can go ahead and make sales. For example, you record YouTube videos, and when somebody will buy something from you, then you make sales using free YouTube traffic. Okay. So if you want to go and make a full-time career on YouTube, go and check out this traffic Jarvis. And then third link says get 100 email leads per day. So this system will give you 100 email leads per day, and you can email them once every day, and you can sell them anything you want, or you can sell them this system itself. For example, if I show you, this is the system I have been using, and I had been making recurring commissions for the number of years, as you can see, never ending. Okay, so if somebody will buy the system from you, you make commissions every month reoccurring. Okay, on top of that, you get 100 email leads per day, and you can email them any offer of your choice. Okay, whatever you want to promote or sell, you can do that, right? So again, go and grab the free bonus email autoresponder here. So let's do a quick recap. We have done the review already. Okay, if you want to try trading, then you can click this swing like a pro. If you want to make a full-time income on YouTube, then click this second link, make money on YouTube, come to this page and grab traffic Jarvis. If you want 100 email leads per day and email them once per day, anything which you want to sell, then click on this link and join that program right here. And as I told you in the beginning, go and grab your bonus free lifetime email autoresponder by clicking on this link. And if you buy from my link, you will get that kiss shacking bonus we discussed, because kiss shacking is a separate 2 hours of training, as you can see on YouTube. Okay. So if you want to get these bonuses, free email autoresponder and my free 2 hours kiss shacking training, then go and buy this review which we have done. Go and buy this product using my link somewhere here. And that's all for it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.